Hi, I'm Patrick Mondi, and I'm CEO at Thoro. We're based in Pittsburgh, and we are an industrial automation platform. In other words, we are the self-driving tech that enables industrial equipment to perform autonomously. We have a cloud offering, we have the self-driving software, and we also have hardware integration that we partner with others to make products that are now scaling globally. We have two products. One of them is an industrial floor cleaner, and the other is an industrial pallet jack that's used in material handling. Our cloud services enable our OEM partners, that is, our manufacturing partners, and their customers to see the impact of our self-driving tech in the real world. We have a great team. We're scaling globally. We have sales in 4 continents, many countries, and I'm really excited about what's going on at Thoro and the broader Pittsburgh tech community, including AI, deep tech, and robotics. So we have a great story to tell at Thoro and a great story here in Pittsburgh.